Engel Völkers St Pete has given all of us the real great resources of the state-of-the-art technology, client management, and transaction management to guarantee the absolute best successes for our clients and sellers.
I love getting all the knowledge that they can provide.
I chose EV St. Pete because of Lisa Erickson and the way she worked with me as soon as I walked in the door.
So far, I love the camaraderie. I've seen everybody and the way they talk with each other, the hope that they're receiving, the hope that I'm receiving, and I've been here such a short time.
They also give me the freedom to be talented and branch out and think outside the box.
Her reputation and EV's reputation is what mattered to me.
They had a flair. They had a great marketing flair, very knowledgeable. They had lots of connections. And so I always had them on my radar.
In my personal experience with Engel Völkers St Pete, I would say it's 100% worth it to work for them, to work with them to accomplish your goals, because there's nobody that's going to go to war for you quite like Engel Völkers St Pete.
I'm very happy and grateful to be here.